Hey friends, have you noticed that pet topics are always trending, especially kittens? They can be adorable one minute and totally cool the next. Who can resist that? For example, check out this TikTok account. A sweet kitten suddenly transforms into a fierce warrior. With 117,000 followers and over 2.2 million likes, it's clear everyone loves this kind of content. I've also noticed that not many YouTube creators are exploring this niche. So if you're thinking about starting a faceless channel, now's your chance. And here's the hook. These amazing videos are made entirely with AI. Want to learn how to create them fast? Stick around, because that's what today's video is all about. Let's dive in. Step 1. Breaking down the video. First, take a look at a sample video. You'll see it's made up of 6 scenes. Right-click to download the video to your computer, then open it and take a screenshot for each of the 6 scenes. Step 2. Using ChatGPT. Next, open ChatGPT and drag your screenshots into the chat. Enter the provided prompt, and boom! ChatGPT will generate image prompts for each scene as well as animation prompts. Isn't that awesome? Feel free to tweak the prompts and let ChatGPT work its magic your way. Step 3. Generating images with Piclumen AI. Now, let's create the images. We're using Piclumen AI, a fantastic free tool for image generation. If it's your first time, just click Launch App and register with your email. Once you're in, click Create on the left side. Remember to set your image ratio and choose the right model. For short videos, set the ratio to 9:16. For long videos, use 16:9. Select the Flux model. Copy your prompt and click Generate. When your images are ready, download the ones you like. If you're not happy with them, generate new ones until you are. Step 4. Creating animation with Minimax AI. Next, we move on to animation using Minimax AI. Even though the free account only lets you create 3 videos a day, the quality is fantastic. Open Minimax AI, click Create, drag in your images, and enter the animation prompts from ChatGPT. Hit Generate and let Minimax do the rest. Once your video is ready, download it. Step 5. Final editing with CapCut. Finally, polish your video in CapCut. Open CapCut and import your video clips along with any music you want to use. Start by dragging your background music onto the timeline and click Mark Beats. Then, add your video clips and adjust their size and position. Sync each clip with the beat by adjusting the timing and speed. Add some transition effects and sound effects. And then export your final video. And that's it. Let's check out the final result. What do you think? Pretty cool, right? If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video. Good luck.